What is a beta particle? Beta particle or beta ray is a high-energy, high-speed electron or positron emitted in the radioactive decay of an atomic nucleus such as potassium-40 nucleus in the process of beta decay. Beta particles are fast and light. They have a medium penetrating power. They are stopped by a sheet of aluminum or plastics such as perpex. As you can see in the picture on the right, beta particles stopped as it reached aluminum. Beta particles have a mass which is half of 1,000 of the mass of a proton and has a relative charge of -1. This means that beta particles are the same as an electron. Beta particles ionize atoms that they pass, but not as strongly as alpha particles do. They are much less ionizing than alpha particles and generally do less damage for a given amount of energy deposition. What would be the behavior of beta particles in an electric field? As you can see in the video down below, beta particles are attracted to the positively charged plate. And since opposite poles attract, this confirms that they are negatively charged. What happens to beta particles in a magnetic field? Since both alpha and beta consist of charged particles, they can be deflected by magnetic fields. And since beta particles are fast-moving electrons with a very low mass and a high charge to mass density, they are deflected much more than the heavier alpha particles. The medium penetrating power of beta particles provides a range of useful applications. Beta particles can be used to treat health conditions such as bone cancer, eye cancer, and are also used as tracers. Beta particles are also used in quality control to test the thickness of an item, such as paper, coming through a system of rollers. A beta source is either swallowed or more commonly injected into the body and used to form an image of your circulatory or digestive system. This is usually called a PET scan. Strontium-90 is the material most commonly used to produce beta particles, and it is where beta emitters are commonly found in the radioactive products of nuclear fission. In conclusion, we can learn that beta particle is a high-speed electron emitted by a radioactive nucleus in beta decay. The symbol of beta particle is beta particles have a mass negligible compared with a proton or a neutron. Beta particle has a speed up to 0.9 times speed of light. And lastly, they have a relative charge of -1, which is the same as an electron. So we can write them as beta negative, or because they're the same as an electron,